Assalamualaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to our English lesson, and today we are still looking at the topic welcome, as always with me, Mr. Isaac. Today we'll be looking at numbers, counting by tens. Let's begin. Let's get to know our numbers. Jom mengenali nombor-nombor. The first one is 10 ataupun 10. How do we spell 10? T-E-N, 10. The next one is 20 ataupun 20. How do we spell 20? T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. The next one is 30 ataupun 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. Next is 40 ataupun 40. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Next one is 50 ataupun 50. How do you spell 50? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Now, let's say together. Jom kita sebut sama-sama. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Very good. Let's try again. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Okay, very good. Let's continue. Our next numbers are 60 ataupun 60. How do you spell 60? S-I-X-T-Y, 60. The next one is 70 ataupun 70. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. Next, 80, 80. E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. Next is 90, 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. And our last one for today is 100 or 100, 100. A-H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, or 100, O-N-E-H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. You can use both a or one. Kita boleh pakai a ataupun one untuk 100. Let's say together. Jom sebut sama-sama. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, or 100. Again, sekali lagi. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, or 100. Next, let's get to know our tens. Okay. Seterusnya, kita mengenali nombor daripada 10. These are the numbers. The first one is 11 ataupun 11. Next one is 12 ataupun 12. 13, 13. 14, 14. 15, 15. 16, 16. 17, 17. 18, 18, and 19, 19. Let's say together. Jom kita sebut sama-sama. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Very good. Let's say again. Jom sebut sekali lagi. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Very good. Now, let's get to know the numbers from 20 and on. Mari kita mengenali nombor dari 20 dan seterusnya. The first example, contoh pertama adalah dari nombor 20 or from the number 20. Okay. The first one is 21, 21. Bila kita nak menyebut 21, 22, 23 dan seterusnya, kita hanya perlu tambahkan perkataan nombor kedua. Contoh 21, di 21, 22, 23. This can be used for every number from 20 to 90. Kaedah ni boleh digunakan untuk nombor 20 hingga 90. Contoh, example number 80, 87, 88, 89, and then 90. Let's say together 21, 22, 23, 24, 87, 88, 89. When we use 30, contoh apabila kita gunakan 30, kita akan sebut 31, maksudnya 31, atau nombor 40. Sebagai contoh 44. For example 44. Let's look at the first number, 78 atau 78. This is how you spell 78. The next one is 52, 52. 52. Remember, the first is 50 and then the second number is 2. So it becomes 52. And the third example is 31 ataupun 31. This is how we spell 31. The first one is 30 and the next one is the next number or the second number, 1. So it becomes 31, 78, 52 and 31. Next, let's try to use the numbers we learned in sentences. Mari kita cuba masukkan nombor-nombor tadi ke dalam ayat. For example, here we have 12 shells. Di sini kita ada 12 cangkerang. Ayatnya, the sentence, I have 12 shells. Here we can spell 12 or we can say I have 12 shells. Kita boleh ejek ataupun pakai nombor. Both of these are correct. Dua-dua adalah betul. Remember, I have. Ingat lagi, I have. Untuk I, kita kena pakai have ataupun maksudnya ada ataupun memiliki. Here, we say I have 12 shells, which means saya ada 12 cangkerang. Next is You have 19 shells. Here we have 19 shells ataupun 19 cangkerang. Untuk you, kita masih lagi pakai have. Ingat lagi, for you, we use have. We can write in words gunakan perkataan ataupun gunakan nombor. You have 19 shells. Next one are pencils. How many pencils are there? There are 32 pencils. Now, here we see a girl. Remember, a girl uses she. Untuk seorang perempuan, kita gunakan she. Dan ingat, she kita gunakan has. For she, we use has. So here, the sentence become she has 32 pencils. Kat sini, kita tulis dia ada 32 pensel. Or we can write she has 32 pencils. We can use words or numbers. Here we see a group of friends ataupun sekumpulan kawan-kawan. Ingat tak? Kalau ramai, kita gunakan they. Dan they gunakan have. Remember, for they, we use have. And here we have 100 coins. Kita ada 100 shilling. So the sentence becomes, they have 100 coins. Mereka ada 100 shilling. We can also write they have 100 coins. Mereka ada 100 shilling. And lastly, we write using numbers. Kita gunakan nombor. They have 100 coins. Mereka ada 100 shilling.
We're in a hot air balloon, and as we ascend, we're counting how high up we go in groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100. Then we saw a blue jay flying with his friends. We asked him to sing along with us and count by tens. He said,
"Excuse me, sir and madam, but I am just a bird. For me to count by tens would simply be absurd."
Is he holding a pin?
We're in a hot air balloon and we're about to descend, counting how much lower we go in groups of 10. 190, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and then 10.
Phew! We're alive!
I could tell that ride had really scared my friend, so I tried to think of a safer way to count by 10. I thought for a while, then a thought came to my mind. This time let's try to find a mountain we can climb. We're at the bottom of a mountain, and as we ascend, we're counting how high up we go in groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100. We saw a bald eagle and asked him to be our friend, and if he'd come along with us and count by 10, he said,
"Well, I can't count, but watch out. Don't step on that branch. If you break it, you might start an avalanche."
Oh no! That can't be good!
We're at the top of a mountain and about to descend. We're counting down to the ground in groups of 10. 190, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and then 10.
like you, Ben. And I like counting by 10, but I really don't think we should try this again.
So that's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed our lesson and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.